Why is Northwest Ohio so flat? It's as flat as the Netherlands. It's unlike any other place in Ohio, which much of Ohio has hills and mountains and all kinds of things. Well, the reason is because Northwest Ohio had a glacier that came through about 13,000 years ago, and that glacier was so powerful that it filled in all the low spots. There are very few places left that have old beach ridges, which is what these hills are. They are sand dunes or beach ridges left behind by the glacier.